becomes Coffee.
Well, he's not happy.
Cop. Been dealing with that for like 5-10 minutes now.
No longer than that. Corinne is watching a movie, so pretty good. Glad about that.
Been quiet. I like that. Mom's been sleeping for like ever. She got her wish. Grandma is driving. Very concentrated. We're in Illinois. And Alyssa is listening to music and nodding her head. Alyssa, do you like toes? Oh wow.
He's like
recording me. You were not.
He said, do you like beat toes? And you're like,
I'm like crying.
This has been the hourly update.
Oh my
It's
god.
basically the same.
It was like perfectly timing.
Oh man.